about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra, and today we're going to do a date night makeup look, except it's not a date night, it is a girls' night out. I'm going out to my favorite karaoke place for the night. Really excited. Next weekend we're not going anywhere because we have a whole bunch of family functions to do and to take care of, so date night tonight. Yes, so excited. So instead of starting with face, I'm not going to do my face makeup on camera. I'm going to be doing the same face stuff, except I might do some touch up with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer, but we're going to go in with the eyes first. So to start with that, we need an eyeshadow base primer. This is by Sigma, and this one is called Ignite. So I'm going to put a little bit on my lids. I'm going to blend it out with my concealer brush by Sigma. I am really excited, guys, because I did recently place a Sigma order. It'll definitely come out before, I'll definitely receive that order before this video posts. So by the time this video is around, you guys, well, I'll have more videos coming with my new brushes. I'm excited. I actually ordered some makeup too. Okay, so I had all of these colors in mind, and I was so excited, and then I'm like, okay, I really want to do a halo eye. I've been really into makeup, watching tons of videos, but I only have half an hour to do this look. I'm going to do something crazy wacky that I've never done before and mix pink and orange. Pink, orange, and red. Red and pink. I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette, you guys. I haven't used this in such a long time. I think I've only done one other look with this palette, so if I can find it on my current channel, I will link it. The problem is, when I first started my makeup tutorials on YouTube, I actually had posted all of them to my main channel, and then probably, was it 2 or 3 years ago now, I moved all of my makeup channel over to a brand new channel, but I didn't repost all of the old makeup looks because I didn't know which ones were new and which ones were old. So there's tons of makeup looks that would have been on my old, like my main channel, and I can't remember if I kept them up. If I did, I'll see if I can link it. I'll see. I can't remember if I think I might have deleted them though, so we'll see. So anyway, I'm opening it up to the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star palette here, and I'm looking at this color, which is called Pigment, Trisha, which is the middle pink color. I'm looking at Cheese Dust, cheese, and Flaming Hot. Okay, so those 4 colors, and I'm going to highlight with the white color and then maybe buff out with these 2. So let's get blending, and I'm going to use some new brushes that I have in my collection. So I've found my E54, which is a medium sweeper. I rarely ever use these brushes. I always go right in with an E25, but I'm going to start with Pigment in the crease, so this shade right here, and we're going to build up to Flaming Hot. So see how this brush is. Tap off the excess. Okay, so it's definitely more of a warmed up color. So I'm going to switch to an E27. I'm going to use it as a blending shade here. So it's going to be like an in-between shade. What's the word I'm looking for, guys? Help me out here. So I'm just blending this really high up. I'm adding more pigment as I go. So that's my blending shade. So I'm going to go back into that E54 brush, and I'm going to add Flaming Hot on the inner and outer corners of the lid. So I'm not sure if this is the right brush for this, but we'll try it out. I might need a smaller brush. Remember, I don't have my makeup done, so it's perfect because I can wipe away any fallout. I'm still going to do my makeup. And I'm just packing it on. Okay, so I kind of went a little farther than the middle of the eye, but that is okay. So next, I'm going to take the orange. I'm going to go with an E27 now. I did look on the Sigma website, and they are all sold out for the E27s. It's crazy. I only have 2 of them myself. I'm going to use Cheese Dust, which is that bright orange color, and I'm going to focus that on the middle of the eye and blend it into the reddish color. And this might be one of those going back and forth looks, using a different, like the different colors to just kind of blend it all together. And then I'm going to take that first brush, go back into pigment, and just kind of gently blend around the crease area here, blending it up towards the brow a little bit, but not like super high or anything. And then I'm going to follow that same, well, actually we have to finish the face makeup and then I'll come back. I really want to add the pink in, so I might do pink on the lower lash with the red. So now that I'm done that portion, I think what I need is some black liner on the lower lash line. There we go. So I have some black liner there. And now I'm going to go off camera, do my makeup, and we will be right back. All right, guys, makeup is done for the face. So now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to go back into Flaming Hot. I'm going to take this little tiny pencil brush, go back into that shade, and run it along the lower lash line. I'm going to start on the outer corner, and I'll probably go almost all the way through. I'm just pressing the shade right into my lower lash line now, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush. So I think what we'll have to do is take some pigment off this brush. I'm using my Vera Colorswitch. It just takes the pigment off, so it doesn't clean the brush, but the pigment comes off so you can switch colors in between applications. So I'm using my E27 again, and I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, and I'm going to connect the shades from the lower lash line to the upper lid. I'm going to go on into Trisha, which is that pink shade right here. I'm going to spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, go into Trisha, and apply it just on the inner corner on the bottom lash line. Just like so. And I think that's it for the eyes. I usually like putting on liner, but maybe this time I won't. So maybe what we'll do is just go straight in with mascara. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to do mascara, lashes, and then we'll come back and do lips and highlighter. Okay, guys, I decided to forgo the lashes only because if I do, it kind of covers up the work that I've done on top. And I think my lashes look pretty good right now. So we're going to leave that alone. Here I am piling on more. Okay, we're going to stop. All right. So for inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with my Mary Lou by the Balm. Take my teeny tiny LO4. It's a lip brush, but it works perfect for inner corner highlight. I was going to use the palette. Maybe we should go in there. Hold on. I think there's like a really extraordinary white color that I can use. It's called Ranch. Top left corner here. Let's see if this is bright. Oh yeah. Bright enough that it will make a little splash of pop there under the brow a little bit. Now I'll go back into Mary Lou by the Balm for highlighter for the cheeks. I might go back in with a little bit more blush. I just kind of looked and it feels like it needs a little bit more. So I do want the eyes to kind of pop today though, so maybe I should just lay low on the blush. It's always like a second guessing type of thing here. Okay, so here's for highlighter anyway. We know we're going to do highlighter, so we're going to go in with this. I'm going to buff this out with my powder brush too. A little bit on the nose, bridge of the nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, chin. And then we're going to just buff that out quickly with my powder brush. And There we go. And then for lips, I'm going to do a nude lip, I think. I'm going to use some Morphe products. I've got my Morphe lipstick, cream lipstick in Flirt, my Boho lip gloss, and for lip liner, I'm going to use a combination of two. So this one is Love Bite by Morphe, and then the other one is Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Forever, or Wherever Walnut. Wherever Walnut 606. I'm just going to quickly do lips and I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, I rarely overline my lips, but I did today on the top lip essentially, and I feel like I do need a bit more blush. I'm just going to use my powder brush, my blush brush, just add what I have on there already, just to my cheeks, a little bit to my nose. I didn't really overdo it with the bronzer today either, but I'm feeling like this pop of color with a nude lip, I think it needs a little bit extra blush. It's always good to kind of go back in and reassess when you are done. So yeah, this stunning eyeshadow look was with the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star. I think it looks really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments what you think, or what Jeffree Star palette should I use next. If you are new, please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click the bell notification so you won't miss another video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.